All right, I think that frame, let's get rid of the blue lines. I think I'm ready to call that fit to print. Maybe not. Maybe, hold on. There's a streamer called Your Face is Pretty, and she no longer says that a page is done. She calls it ready for print, because the more you look at a page, the more you as an artist will look at a page, the more you go, oh, well, this has to be fixed over here, and well, I can't allow this. I can't allow it to be printed without doing this, and oh, I really need to change this over here. Bum, 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 bum. Okay, I think that's it. Oh, son came home from school. Tell you what, I'm about to find somebody to raid. And I'm going to keep it a surprise until we actually raid. Because sometimes I say the name of the streamer and people bail out as soon as I say the name of the streamer. Don't look at it too long, that's right. Let's see. Let's find out who's available. There's some artists available. Let's see if there are any Christian streamers available. Oh. Tell you what. This lady is not a Christian, but she's very talented at what she does. And she does not curse. There's no harsh language. All right. We are rating. Who's with me? We got 2, 3, 4 viewers. 4 viewers ready to raid. Okay, thank you for everyone for being here. Thank you for the conversation. Tell you what, I forgot. That's okay. Let's raid now. I'll be here tomorrow, 5:30 to 7 o'clock. Actually, we're going to try 5 o'clock to 7 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. And until then, may the Lord be with you. Peace.